Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do the Chanel unboxing, which I didn't expect. And I was actually looking for this bag for like, I would say 2-3 years. I was asking my several essay, whoever I know, and they never say it's available. Like wait till the end of the December. If it's available, I will let you know. And yeah, I was so lucky. I didn't expect. I was asking my current essay, if you see this bag, if you have any chance to see this bag, please let me know. Yeah, and yeah, after New Year started, yeah, I was so lucky. She contacted me and then she said she found the bag I was looking for over 2 years. So let me do the unboxing and I will talk about the bag. Charan! See this box? So I got delivered from Chanel boutique I usually go, and this one I really didn't expect. I was so happy to get this. This will be my like one of the dream bag. I don't like classic line, but this can be one of the classic line, like steady line, but it's almost discontinued, I heard. So yeah, I was waiting till like Christmas, checking with my essay again, but like yeah, at the end I could get it. So let me open. Oh my god, so happy. Cannot wait to see the color in real, because I saw from the picture when my essay took picture and sent me, but yeah, in real I'm not sure how much it's gonna be more pretty. So let's see. So let me open. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this bag. Seriously, this bag is one of my dream bags on my wish list all the time, but like once in a while I mentioned, if you remember, one of the bag I always wanted, but I didn't expect I gonna get this year, like beginning of this year suddenly. But I was surprised. The price was, of course, yeah, increased compared to 2 years ago. It was really pretty much good price, like reasonable price, I would say. Now it's like more, I think almost $1,000 up. So I was surprised, but not surprised. So this is the bag. Now let's open. So this bag, as you can see, it's not that big. Yeah, it's a small size. As I know, there are like 2-3 size. Yeah, small size and medium size, I know. Yeah, 2 size I think. And oh my god, this is so pretty, small. Yeah, this is so pretty. I mean, in picture, before I see in real. Now this is first time I see. Oh my god. Oh, so cute. Okay, let me open. You will see and you can guess immediately when you see the top of the bag, because it's a little bit unique shape, I would say. Let me open. Ta-da! Yes, it's Gabrielle backpack, small size in pink. Oh my god. You know, I've seen like beige color, black color, white color, but I haven't seen pink color yet. And about 2-3 years ago, the last time when I saw it, at that time I kind of regret I could buy that one as well to like collect this Gabrielle backpack. I am willing to collect this Gabrielle backpack in every color. Someday maybe black. Also I want like beige, white, and the pink. Or pink. Oh my god, guys, I scored this bag at last. So happy. So as you can see, this is pink color, but the exact name of the color is rose color. Very hard surface capskin, and this one is also capskin, aged capskin, as I know. It's gonna be pretty much durable, you know, especially this side is so yeah, you can feel how hard it is. Yeah, it's so durable, and it's kind of like vintage look. I like this vintage look hardware. It looks more casual, but you know, not too much like bling bling style, so you can mix match with any kind of outfit, I would say. And okay, let me show you 19p. So I think it's a 2019 around this time collection, but 2019 rose color. You can see there's no sheen on this metal hardware, right? This one is like just like vintage look, perfectly matched with this aged capskin. And this one is, as you can see, kind of shiny, typical Chanel chain. So you guys might be wondering like how much is it right now as of 2022 January. So I remember this small size Gabrielle backpack was like less than $4,000 like 2 years ago when I saw the another color. It was gold color. But I didn't like gold color because it's like too bling bling. I didn't like that look. It doesn't look like a vintage look, which is like signature look of the Gabrielle backpack. At that time, it was like 3,600. Very good price, right? Less than 4,000 for sure. So I was surprised when I hear the price. Current price of the small size of Gabrielle backpack is 4,500. Almost 5,000. With the tax, it's almost 5,000. Yeah, in USA. So it's not cheap anymore like before. I think like $1,000 increased in 2 years. I don't know like medium size or other thing, but like there is a very similar one. Currently you can see more than this for sure. There's a Gabrielle hobo bag. So I had chance I think last year with my current salesman. She showed me Gabrielle hobo bag in black. Small size. It was like 4,000 something last year, but I was checking current price of hobo bag. So Gabrielle hobo bag right now, small size. I think it might be almost same as this size, but without this top part. That's the shape, So that is like $5,000 now. Small size of Gabrielle hobo. Can you believe it? With tax, it's gonna be 5,500. I don't think it's worth. It's like smaller than this. I don't know, it's up to you what kind of shape you like, but for me, I prefer a little bit more like this kind of natural shape. I prefer. I am happy with this Gabrielle backpack. And medium size hobo bag is 5,300 and the large size hobo bag is like 5,400, which is outrageous. How to say? Yeah, so I just don't feel comfortable to pay more than like, let's say $4,000 first of all. So I was not interested in any classic bag, but this is a kind of classic bag, but you don't see it often. You might have chance like every other year, but not like every year or not every season for sure. And this is not right now current season bag. Maybe when it's available, they get from Paris, from headquarters, I guess. But maybe they don't have many chance to sell to customer in USA. I haven't seen for long, really. So like I couldn't believe when my SA contacted me about this bag. I was like, are you sure? Yeah, because I was waiting for a new season, which will be launched in 2 weeks, I think. So I was like choosing like some bag similar to this kind of, like pink color. I love pink color bags. So like I was choosing another bag and I said, I'm not sure about the coming season's new bag. Let me get this one first and I'll think about it. So I was just getting right away. So yeah, I'm gonna show you inside and then we'll see what fits inside. So I was checking the collection. Seems like this was made in like 2019, around 2019, because it says 19P around this time, like 2-3 years ago I think. 19P and I can see even 20K at the back. I don't know which one is right. So like 2-3 years ago model. The color is rose pink. So it's like rose. I want to talk about the hardware. Front, you can see the logo is not shiny, like a vintage look, metal hardware. So I love this casual vibe with this metal because it's not too shiny, it's not like bling bling, that kind of feeling, but it's very casual. It goes well with this kind of toned down pink color. So when you see the shoulder strap, there is a metal chain. And when you see, there are 4 kinds of metal hardware. It's like a changing in the middle. It's so interesting actually. 19 bag is same as this, but like this chain is thicker, bigger, so it's heavier. But this one is like thin, so I think it's good. When you see in this 2 line, you can see from shiny gold tone metal, it becomes vintage gold tone metal hardware, and from vintage silver tone hardware, it changes to shiny silver tone hardware. So 4 kinds of metal hardware you can see, and it's very interesting, but it really goes well all together, so I like it. And it looks very like unique but not boring, I would say, so I love it. This is really casual vibe, but I love this thin, not too heavy chain. So pretty. So this is kind of their signature. And when you see inside, since this is not like a most recent collection item, there's no microchip. Usually when there's a microchip, this front side, you should see the microchip somewhere here, right? But they don't have. So I was checking whether there is any authentication card. It was right here in the pocket, card from here. And it is starting from 27. So you can guess the collection. if you know better than me, maybe. So there's one pocket, same color lining, yeah, cloth lining, and this leather. As you can see, a little bit of wrinkle on the leather because it's like a vintage look. So I love this aged calfskin look. I never had before, I think, in any bag. First time, kind of. I love it because it has kind of like a casual vibe, and it's made in Italy. Yeah, made in Italy. And you can see the same color lining inside, right? And one pocket here, and the authentication card inside. Front side at the bottom, you can see the serial number tag. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put things inside, but I am sure pretty much everything gonna fit, essential things. So I put the phone, iPhone Pro Max size, of course phone fit, yeah. And sunglass, I think you can even put with the sunglass case. Chanel, hand cream, key, small classic wallet, card holder. So let me show you. Wow, everything fit. And it's very snug fit. Still, you don't see anything like bulging out from this side, or because it has a shape here. I really love this hard leather. I want to put the insert later, but then I need to figure out like till this height, maybe there's some insert might fit, so I'm gonna try to find. So for that, I was measuring the width, length, and depth. Let me show you quick. You might know just by googling, you can see the Gabrielle small size backpack. So the length of the bag is around 9 inch, and the depth of the Gabrielle backpack, so when you Google, it says 4.1 inch. So it's around 4 inch, and the height is around 9 inch, 8.9 inch for the length, 4.1 inch for the depth, 9 inch for the height. That's the size of Gabrielle backpack, small size. So when you buy the insert, you know the size. I haven't seen medium size, but like I think small size is good enough to put any essential things.